Okay, I'm watching.
Sissy, look at the train.
Wow, it's a big train. That's awesome. What are you gonna do now? You gonna make him crash? Oh! Make him crash. Here's Thomas over here.
No, Gordon.
Oh, here's Gordon.
Gordon. Sissy lost this.
Okay. What are you doing?
Gordon.
Yes. All right, count to uno.
Oh no, oh no, wait. Oh no, oh no. 4, 5, 4, 5,
Good. Do it again. Do uno.
No.
You don't want to do it anymore? You did a good job. Look here and say bye-bye, everybody. Look here. Say nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
See you later.
Later.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.